people quickly shut down desserts when they hear the words gluten-free or vegan. Our next guest set out to create a sweet treat to win over even the biggest skeptics. Audrey Dunham is the founder of Peanuts Bake Shop Cookie Kits, and she joins us with a chocolatey send-off into the weekend. It smells so sweet here in our GMW kitchen.
Thank you.
I want to hear about the Peanuts Bake Shop Cookie Kits. You've got, it sounds like, lots of flavors. What was the inspiration behind this?
Well, I was set out to make the most delicious, amazing, and decadent cookies that are vegan and gluten-free, but don't taste vegan or gluten-free.
Okay.
And I say that because most people hear those, like you said, they hear vegan or they hear gluten-free, and they think they're going to be missing out on something or something won't be the same. My goal is to not only totally abolish that thought, but to make some of the best cookies that people have ever tasted in their lives, regardless of the fact that they're vegan or gluten-free.
Okay, so before we get into the kits and the flavors, I want to know about the reason behind the naming of Peanuts.
So Peanut was named after my husband, Jeff Dunham. He's a ventriloquist and comedian. His character is Peanut, very famous, been around for decades, well-loved. And so I thought, why not turn it all into a family business and name this product after him? And he looks so cute on the cover. I'm so glad that I went that route.
And you can see Jeff and Audrey there with their twin 4-year-olds, right?
Twin 4-year-old boys, Jack and James.
And did they, I'm assuming that we are licking the spoon, we are big fans, yes?
Oh, yes, and they each have their own flavor that is their absolute favorite. My redhead Jack loves the traditional chocolate chunk flavor, which is basically a chocolate chip cookie but with chocolate chunks. So you take it one step further, make it that much better.
I mean, seriously, look at these chunks, my friend.
You have to try it. You have to try all of these. But
twist my arm.
Yeah, do it. And then the midnight flavor.
Honestly, if you just gave me a taste test and said, hey, like, I would not have guessed at all gluten-free or vegan.
Oh, thank you so much.
So delicious.
Thanks. That's the goal. And then my little brunette little boy, James, he calls these his black cookie. They're actually named Midnight Chocolate Chunk.
Okay.
And they have a nice, dark, deep, rich flavor.
Oh,
they're super yummy. Great for the chocolate lovers out there.
Yes. And how many flavors do you have?
So I have 3 now, with goals to expand and create much more. Then the third flavor that I haven't mentioned yet is the cinnamon oatmeal, which you'll see right here.
Ooh.
Which I've already been told, I just launched it in December. I've already been told is the best oatmeal cookie you'll ever have in your life. And I hope you feel the same way.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so delicious. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so sweet, and it really is probably one of the best that I've ever had.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Goal achieved.
So you have these kits, and we should also mention, I mean, you have a nutrition background. So like that was really important to you to have this be, I mean, vegan, somewhat healthy, right?
Exactly. And really, if you have a vegan cookie, it's already a little bit healthier because it doesn't have the cholesterol-containing eggs or that heavy saturated fat from normal butter.
Okay.
But I took it one step further, and these cookies actually contain oat flour, bean flours, ground flaxseed. But the beauty is you would never guess it in a million years.
Nope, not at all.
So I really wanted it to be a great treat where you walked away from having one cookie not feeling like you missed out or you had a healthy cookie.
Yeah.
Rather, that was amazing. I feel really great about my decision to eat that cookie. I can go on with the rest of my day now. And I did fitness competitions for years, and I always felt like, you know, I can't live a life like that again where I can't have a little something sweet every single day. I really feel that cookies can be part of a healthy lifestyle.
What I also love about this, in these little packages, they look like they're super easy to make.
Yep.
How perfect is this for families when, you know, you're a room mom or something and you have to bake for the kids in the classroom? Because kids, they already have, you know, so many of these dietary restrictions sometimes. So this is a great option.
Right, yeah, completely dairy-free, nut-free. These are so easy to make and fast. That's the beauty. They actually just require about 15 minutes and a little bit of oil and water. That's it.
So
nothing else that's fancy, nothing you need to go to the store for. You pretty much have those 2 ingredients on hand all the time, so you're good to go.
I love it. Audrey Dunham, peanutsbakeshop.com. Go purchase some of these, and I'm not joking. These are probably the best cookies ever. I see you have a little bit of milk as well.
Yeah,
nothing better than dunking. Dunking into the weekend. I've got your weekend forecast, guys, coming up right after the break. I'm going to do a little dunk here.
Yeah, please do. Go for it.
The cookie doesn't
I have to break
fit.
it.
We'll have to break it. I'll see you guys on the other side of the break.
Thanks, Eileen.
Oh, thank you.